video will try to understand the fifth limb of the yoga called as Pratyahara. In English, it can be understood as the withdrawal of the senses and knowing what value it contains. In the life of a person, one always expects to have the happiness unending or incessant. To get it is not that easy, and to understand how yoga can help one to reach to the point of happiness which never ends, this understanding of the fifth limb is extremely important. This is very intricate in nature. It cannot be understood in a day. But different levels of the experiment will let us understand what values lie in controlling the sense operations to some extent. For example, our eyes. While we carry our day, we used to see thousands of things. Something which we see holds value for us, and some other thing is of no use. So, if we will try to remove the useless scene from our eyes, then the energy or the cosmic substance which we used to create out of our duties, physical or our work, or by involving ourselves in the different responsibilities, then we can know the value of sense containment. In the beginning it will not be easy, so we can set up that whenever our eyes turn to see few things which we don't need, we'll set up a benchmark that today 5 times we will withdraw our eye to see the things which we don't need. And after each such experiment, if we stay calm for a while, we'll surely feel internally some arousal of happiness or peace or contentment. And when we finish 5 such experiments, at the end of the 5th one, definitely a better volume of joy will reach to us. This is just the point related to the operation of eye. Likewise, we can perform experiments around the ears, then around our speech, and likewise, once you start these experiments, the understanding will get into the depth, and moreover, the value will start coming to you, and then you will know how to control your own life. Pratyahara is called as the foundation towards the higher limbs or towards the higher form of the practice of yoga. The pranayama and the posture practice is for health, and on the foundation of health, what needs to be built? Further, such lessons could only come when we understand this fifth limb. At times in the life of individual, they get bored of the yoga practice. It happens because now they reach to a point where they are now saturated of the physical and the mental practice, and there is some blockages because now the life or the eternity want for that individual to pursue into the understanding of the senses or towards the higher form of yoga. And those who enter into it, for them the volume of joy will never get less, as it will be in their own hand to decide what they want. So the first four limbs used to impart the understanding of commanding the life, and then the higher form of the practice used to let individual know how to control the life. And both of them, when they get together, a beautiful life will come into the picture, and the better meaning will be understood. The value of life will be known. Hope this video would let you get into the higher form of the practice of yoga. We'll end over here, and we will have further education on numerous topics related to the practice of yoga or to improve the living. Thanks for watching. Have a nice time.